The key indices extended losses in early trades on Tuesday. Sensex drops 500 points, Nifty below 16,400. The BSE mid-cap and small-cap indices were also in the negative territory in the broader markets, down up to 1%. Adani Group and Apollo Hospitals are in talks to buy a majority stake in Metropolis. The deal size, given the market cap of Metropolis and its operations across the country, could be at least $1 billion, although Metropolis declined to comment on the development, whereas email queries sent to Adani Group and Apollo Hospitals went unanswered till press time. In the upcoming credit policy of RBI, which is scheduled on the 8th of June 2022, we expect the Monetary Policy Committee meeting to raise the repo rate by another 25 to 35 bps. In the current rate hike cycle, we expect the repo rate to increase to 5.15% gradually. HDFC Bank has hiked its marginal cost of funds-based lending rates by 35 basis points across 10 years. The new rates will be effective from today. Shares of Oil India have surged 15% in 5 days as Brent crude oil prices rose. In comparison, the Nifty 50 index has dropped 1%. Oil India stocks jumped over 5% in the previous session as oil prices rose more than $2 in early trade after Saudi Arabia raised prices sharply for its crude sales in July.
Shares of Life Insurance Corporation of India extended its correction mode for the 6th straight session on Tuesday and made a new low of 751 rupees and 80 paise a piece on NSE. After having a gap-down opening, LIC's share price today made its intraday low of 755 rupees and 50 paise, breaching its previous low made yesterday. After making this new low, LIC share price today quoted around 21% below its issue price of 949 rupees per equity share.
The government on Tuesday said it notified the Green Open Access Rules 2022 to further accelerate India's renewable energy programs. These rules are notified for promoting the generation, purchase, and consumption of green energy, including through waste-to-energy plants. It enables a simplified procedure for the open access to green power, the Power Ministry said in a statement.
India's largest bank, State Bank of India, has appointed Alok Kumar Choudhary as its new managing director with effect from June 7, 2022. He has replaced former MD Ashwini Bhatia. Ashwini Bhatia took charge as a whole-time member of the Securities and Exchange Board of India. The rupee slipped 7 paise to close at 77.73 against the US dollar on Tuesday as a massive sell-off in domestic equities. On the domestic equity market front, the BSE Sensex ended 567.98 points at 55,107.34, while the broader NSE Nifty declined 153.20 to 16,416.35. Leading private sector lender ICICI Bank has once again increased the rates of interest on its fixed deposits. The FD interest rates are applicable on deposits above 2 crore rupees and up to 5 crore rupees at the bank. The FD interest rates have been hiked for domestic NRO and NRE deposits. The FD interest rate hike has come into effect from Tuesday, June 7. SpiceJet has extended its employee stock ownership plan scheme to certain mid-level employees as well as critical resource staff for the role they played in the company amid the COVID-19 crisis, sources said on Tuesday. Under the ESOP scheme, employees get company shares that vest over a period of time.